This is my first magnetic IDEX belt coupling failure. You can see the belt coupling back there and the belt drooping. This is nearly 74 grams of ABS plastic. The first layers look quite perfect. After first layer I went to bed and I woke up to this beauty. Well, I guess I have room to make the White Rabbit a little stronger. We'll reprint on the second printer and get this back to work. And just like that, we're printing stronger magnetic IDEX couplings. So this is a 2mm wall versus a 0.6mm wall, and we'll see how they last. Okay, so let's install the White Rabbit. This is the bottom of the belt. Then we feed the new compression fitting, feed the belt through the pulley, like so. Then back through the compression fitting. Then engage first 5 teeth and slide the coupling over, and then get the second piece in. So once it engages, you can let go of the belt, but I'm gonna make a tool to assist with this. The belt needs to compress really well. For right now, I will just do that. Screwdriver here, and squeeze it all the way to the end. Tighten the nut, tension adjustment nut, and you can see the belt is climbing, and I don't think it's going anywhere. Now we take our tool, click it over the rods, slide the belt over, take the two bearings, slide them in place, and the front bearing clicks in place, engage. Oh, I put the coupling backwards. Do over. Alright, that's one thing you have to remember, is the coupling polarity is important, and I just completely rushed through that part.